Now let's see, what if I wanted to have a purse that has a hidden zipper in it? And this purse, this reversible purse that I made, has a hidden zipper. The neat thing about this purse is it has pockets on the inside and the outside. But I found that the neatest thing about a reversible purse, a invisible zipper, is that when it's on the inside, the pocket's on the inside here, and here's the pocket right here. It is in between the body of the outside of the purse and the inside of the purse. And so it takes up no room. So I have decided that every purse that I make is going to have one of these great hidden pockets in it. And so any pattern that you have, if you want to put one of those hidden pockets in, I'm going to show you how to do it. Simple, and you can do it in just a minute. Let's say here is your pattern piece here. All you have to do is take that pattern piece, decide where you want that length of that zipper to come down. Be sure that you take in mind, I have a 3/4 inch or a 1/2 inch or whatever top seam allowance. So put it down far enough. This is exactly where the zipper is going to be placed. Then I'm going to take, and I'm going to, it wanted to fly away there. And then I'm going to put another piece of paper over and line that exactly up to the same line. And I'm going to put a seam allowance on this, and usually you want 5/8 inch seam allowances when you're going to put something on your, on a zipper, because the zipper is 5/8 inch seam. And then you're going to go up 5/8 inch seam. So that's all you have to do to make your pattern customized to you, and you will enjoy an inside pocket. I know you will. And I saw this in a designer purse. This is a cell phone pocket that all it had was just a little dart right on the very corners, which helped to buckle that up so that the cell phone would lay in there and not pull on the purse. So when you have enough of the ease and everything in there, then the purse doesn't buckle up.